Hello, my name is Tim Wollerslev. I'm a sommelier from Denmark, and I've chosen some wine today to demonstrate on the wine breeder from Menu, the design company in Denmark, to show you how it works. This is just not another carafe. It has a special device that fits into any kind of bottle, and you easily put this on top of the bottle, you turn it around, and let the gravity do the work. The wine is decanting down into the carafe and getting some oxygen. And why do we need oxygen in the wine? We do that in the young wines to let them wake up, to release the aromas and to soften the tannins. Especially wines which are very much gaining or getting added value by doing this is wines like the Amarone from Italy, or for instance a Cabernet Sauvignon from South Africa, or a Cabernet Sauvignon from Argentina. These are classical, very powerful wine that needs this kind of decanting to get wakened up and to relieve the aromas. Another wine, typical Bordeaux wine, a classical Bordeaux wine, which has a lot of tannins because it's a cold climate area where you got this little aggressive tannins. By sending them through the wine breeder, you get a much more soft wine, easy to drink, and you get added value to your wines. Another thing most consumers are not aware of is that actually many white wines, the heavy white wines, especially the white wines made from Chardonnay, which has been barrel fermented, they gain a lot from being decanted. You get rid of the barrel smell and the barrel taste, but you still get the softness of the wine and you open up for the freshness of the aromas. Now we can easily turn it around again, and here comes the brilliancy. You're actually sending the wine as a double decant back into the original bottle, where the wine will get even more oxygen, getting more soft and more pleasant, but still the wine is keeping its character. This is a fantastic invention. And if you look at the top of this carafe, it has a sort of hole down here, so you get a very good grip when you're handling the carafe in a restaurant or in your private home. Actually, this device is so brilliant that all homes should have one like this. It's so easy to have on your kitchen table and use it every day. Whenever it's a cheap wine or it's a very expensive wine, all the young wines will gain from using this wine breeder. Now the wine's finished running down, and I can slowly remove the carafe here. If I want to, I can take up the top, special device, and I have a very good carafe in a beautiful design, ready to use. If I want to decant the wine, serve the wine in the carafe, I can do that. Now I just want to taste the wine and see what the decanting has done to the wine. Wow, what a nose. The wine is now so much forward, so much open, ready to drink. Even on the palate, tannins are much more soft. Enjoy.